Welcome, all of you. And so today we will be giving you a insight into the rounds and the patterns that will be there in National Quiz Competition 2020, which will be held in the last week of December. So hope you guys are preparing well and going through the practice sessions. So let's begin with the first round, like what all will be there in the first round. So you have filled the Google form, and in the Google form you were given the preferences. So these preferences are only limited to round number one. You can choose any of these six preferences, any one of these six categories, and for qualifying round number one. But in round number two, the questions will be pertaining to all these subjects. So in the first subject, round one, it will be constitutional law. The questions will be based on Constitution of India 1950. The questions can also come up from the history of the Constitution of India and the current judgments or the current scenarios relating to the Constitution. And there are practice sessions which are uploaded on our YouTube, so you can go through those practice sessions. Now, second will be cyber law. In cyber law, basically the main focus will be Information Technology Act 2000 and 2000. So IT Act 2000 will be the main focus, and you can face some questions related to general judgments which have been pronounced by the Supreme Court of India related to cyber law. Then coming on to the third category or the third subject, that is Hindu law. This subject will have the questions pertaining to Hindu Marriage Act, Hindu Succession Act, Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act. So you have to go through these three acts in order to get a good command over this subject and qualify round number one. Now coming on to fourth, that is business laws. So though the students who have opted for this category, they must have the brief knowledge about the four main major acts which we are including in business laws. First is Contract Act, second is Sales of Goods Act, then third is Partnership Act, then fourth is Transfer of Property Act. The videos are available for these subjects for this subject on our YouTube channel, so you can go through it. Now coming on to fifth category, that is environmental law. The questions will be focusing on Environmental Protection Act, Water Act, Air Act, and the general conventions which are related to environmental law in the international scenario. Also, we can include few judgments, the important judgments which have created the environmental law jurisprudence in our country. So just go through the judgments, and the questions will not be so difficult. Like you don't have to read all the judgments and full judgments. You just have to have a brief idea regarding the judgments. Then coming on to sixth category, that is intellectual property laws. In this, you will be having questions related to Trademark Act, Copyright Act, Patents Act. Then you can have the questions related to international conventions. And for more illustrative, you can watch the videos like what all kind of questions are being asked. So now moving to how many questions will be asked in round one and what will be the time limit. So round one will be having total 40 questions, and the date for round one will be 26th December 2020, and the timings will be 12 noon to 12:10. There will be a link that will be given to you, and you have to the link will be activated at 12 noon exactly, and it will be closed at 12:10. So you have to be quick with your answers. The time limit is we have kept time limited less just to ensure that nobody is cheating. And moreover, if you submit after 12:10, then your submission will not be considered. So it is recommended that keep your internet in a good speed and check it properly, and be ready before 10 minutes, and exactly at 12 noon you will open your link and you can give the quiz. And those who will be qualifying for round one, like who will secure rank in top 30, they will qualify for next round. Or we can just see if there are top 10 in every subject, then we can take top 10 students for the next round. Moreover, one more thing I need to tell you, round one is a qualifying round. So the subjects that you have selected, only you will be marked only you will be taking up the questions for that subject. no other questions will be there from other subject. So the 40 questions will be related to the subject or the category you have chosen while filling your registration form. If someone has chosen two categories, like they have taken Hindu law also and business laws also, then then his last priority will be considered. Okay. Now coming on to next round, round two. Round two will be having questions pertaining to all these topics. All these subjects, all these category will be covered in round two. You will have questions from each of this category. So it is recommended to go through all the practice sessions right now only, because you will not have much time between round one and round two. So be quick with your answers and be quick with your practice sessions. So in round two, there will be total questions. The total questions will be 50, and the date will be 27 December, and the timings will be 12 noon to 12:15. It will be for 15 minutes. And similarly, here also you will be all those who have qualified for in the round one, the top 10 performers from each category will be considered for round two. So if there are 10 students in constitutional law, the top 10 will be considered for round two. Then in business laws, top 10 will be considered for round two. So like this, we will be taking students for the round two. And one more thing to add, in round two, the questions will not only be related to the subjects. I'm repeating this thing again and again so that you can relate to it and you don't forget this, that if you have chosen a subject or a category, that is limited only and only to your round one. It will not be considered in round two. In round two, all the subjects will be, the questions will be pertaining to all the subjects. So it will be a 15-minute round, and 27 December 2020 will be the date, and you can note down the timings. And one thing, important thing to mention, that there is no registration fees for this National Quiz Competition 2020, and certificate of participation is provided to all the participants who are appearing for the quiz. And if you want to check out the practice sessions, then you can just go to our YouTube channel. Its name is Acha Kancha Foundation. You can find all the practice sessions there, and we will be giving minimum 15 days gap between the last concluding session for the quiz competition and your date for the quiz. So they will. So I guess by 1st December or by 10th December, we will be covering all the subjects that we have mentioned and all the acts that we have mentioned. So you can go through them. Hope you guys do well, and all the best. Take care.